In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 3055 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, click on Open to continue. And in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. So please wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Now, all you need to do is you need to proceed to the search bar here at the center and type for HP LaserJet space 3055 space driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to this one, click on it, and eventually you would be able to see or open up a window where you can see the HP LaserJet 3055 all-in-one printer. So click on this to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down on the list and go with driver, universal print driver. Click on this down arrow key and choose among of these two. Okay, click on download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, download it. And once you have downloaded it, move it to the desktop. Okay, once you have moved it here, you need to double tap to unzip it, or you can simply make a right click, go with extract all, or use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. Now, once any file has been created, then this is the time that you need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Now here at the settings window, please proceed directly to the left pane where you can see a list of the options, and please locate with Bluetooth and devices. Click on it and go with printers and scanners, and eventually you can see this kind of window. Click on add device so that you can see an option where you can manually add a device or a printer driver. Click on add manually, and from here you need to select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this is 3 USB port. Click on next. Go with half disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop. Proceed to this one, double tap to it, and eventually you can see different driver. Select any of this and click on open, click on OK. And please choose the second, which is HP Universal Printing PS version 7.6.0. Click on next, click on next, and from here, please rename that into HP LG or LaserJet 3055. Then hit the next option and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be finished. So once done, all you need to do is you need to click on next and go with finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3055 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that you can good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.